French camping gas.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
So here we have it. For 70 euros a night. It's not bad considering everything else is in the hundreds. And your own bathroom. C'est bon. All the individual flats. Just loads of individual apartments. They are ramping up the advertising for the Tour de France when it comes through. Just walking around looking for a hotel I can copy my files. But it's a beautiful day. People come out to look at Lake Geneva. A day off is good for the soul, but it also allows you to reassess everything you've got, have multiple showers, wash your clothes, and just relax. One of the most important things for me was getting new shoes. I was able to find them online with the assistance of Antoine. Buy them online and then turn up at the store and they're out. And the reason being is the one on the left has done 1,000 kilometers and the sole is pretty much gone. And certainly for the last few days I have been slipping quite a lot. So I managed to get the same style, the same size, the same width fitting, about 20% cheaper in France than I can get in the UK. But the most important thing is I got them. One decision I did make before I came to France was to buy the French camping gas push and twist stove, because actually getting hold of the canisters, CV300 plus is the right size, is very, very easy. Nothing wrong with bringing your MSR pocket rocket or whatever, but you'll probably only find gas canisters in the big towns, in the big outdoor stores. But you can get these camping gas pretty much everywhere. So it's a choice, that's all. One thing I also got on this particular stop are new trousers. My old ones, yeah, the inners that I like, both zips have gone on the pockets. So it's always a danger something will drop out. Plus they've probably done 1,000 kilometers and they're pretty nasty. Swapped them for a Salomon pair. It's the only pair I could find that had both pockets and this lycra inner. So that's a small bit of housekeeping. A big countdown clock in the centre of town to when the stage of the Tour de France, 21st July, comes through.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.